Hello everyone, welcome to my channel with a new another video. Friends, today I have many color combination and different types of vehicle. All are serially parked here. All are nice and beautiful. So now I will hand drive all of this vehicle with my hand. At first is a tourist bus, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this tourist bus. This one is yellow, black and silver color combination. And next one is a DS Tarjan car here, so I will try this one now. I parked here this DS Tarjan car. This one is red, black and yellow color combination. And this one is a heavy duty feluder, so I will try this one now. I parked here this heavy duty feluder. This one is red, black and white color combination. So friends, now I will drive this RAV3 car. Let's go. I parked here this RAV3 car. This one is black and red color combination. Wow, this one is a ambulance, so I will try this one now. I parked here this ambulance. This one is yellow and white color combination. And next one is a mixer truck, so I will try this one now. I parked here this mixer truck. This one is yellow, black and white color combination. This is the last one, is very big size power backhoe, so I will try this one also. I parked here this power backhoe. This one is black and yellow color combination. So friends, all of these vehicles hand drived and introduced with you, and now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination vehicles.